So resource where company have different resources like man, machine, manpower or assets we can say. So with these resources, company or business will do its business. So for that, whatever resources are available, how to use those. For that, we are doing planning here. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. Whatever resources are available in the company or in organization or business, we have to make a proper plan for that. Then only we will get a profit, less cost, less expenditure will be there, and profits will be available to us. So we make planning procedure, and that planning procedure called an ERP. So next is, if I tell that I have a company, my company name is ABC Company Limited, and as we all know that every work should be divided into different departments, like division of labor, so that work will be easier. So for in every organization, work will be divided into different departments. So in my company, ABC Company, I have sales department, production department, HR department, purchase and finance. Different departments are there. So before SAP introduced, we have different types of ERP softwares which are specifically for this department. So I wrote here, JD Edwards software was there which will be working only on sales, and it is not working on any other different departments. So for sales department, you are purchasing JD Edwards software, and for production department, you are purchasing BN and BAN software. In this way, HR, PeopleSoft, and purchase and production are mostly same. So BAN is also useful for purchase department, and finance department we are purchasing Oracle Finance. So it means why I wrote here means whatever is there specifically for this department only, they are not working for other departments. So all departments should be in one system. So integration was not there here. Like now we are seeing that in SAP there is an integration with one department to another. As one department work will be finished, other department will catch that and it will finish the whole work, like we can see in FISD and FIMM integrations. So this was not there before SAP. So here, what is SAP? SAP is a system application products in data processing. So old name was system analysis and program development. So now who has introduced this? Who has created this? That also I have found that. So history of SAP. In 1972, IBM company 5 employees. Their names are here. So these 5 members who are in Waldorf city in Germany created SAP. That time they have taken one company called AG company. In that AG company, these 5 members, they have an idea that why not we will create one software which will be helpful to all the departments. As I told you before that ERP softwares were available, but integration was not there. Means purchasing one software is not working on different other softwares. So this problem they have found that, and they got an idea that we have to create one software which will be helpful to all the departments in the organization. So what they did, they went to different business companies like small. So what I wrote here, they want to make ERP packages for all the departments of any company worldwide. Any company means whether it is a small company or big or moderate, whatever. So they want to make ERP package for all the departments of any company worldwide. So what they did, these IBM employees send some of their people to different companies and gathered information what is needed specifically for this business, what is needed for this business, what is needed, and whatever is requirement is there, they gathered and they kept in a drive or safely they have uh, securely they kept. So IBM employees take the requirement of all company at global level. So what are the fields required for customer creation? I took one example here, customer creation. if they want customer creation in SAP, what they did. So in one small company, they need only customer name and address. And they went to other company, they want customer name, address and payment terms. And in other company, they want customer name, address, payment terms and PAN number. In this way, they have gathered different types of information, and then okay, information for SAP ERP. So as they gather information from different companies worldwide and added that in SAP software, now the question came, which language we have to apply in this SAP so that all the in worldwide it can be useful. So for developing this software, so this question arose, for database, which language? So these people, 5 members, conduct a meeting, and this meeting they concluded that they should introduce ABAP language. Now what is ABAP language? What is an ABAP language? So I wrote a full form here. Advanced, B means business, application, programming language. So this is a technical language. So this is a technical language which is used in SAP. So they have introduced ABAP language, and in this database and SAP ERP packages are ready. And here they have created different modules here. Now SAP AG company. As I told you that they have started this AG company, and in this AG company only they have done all this, having full ERP packages with different modules for all departments of any company at globally. So they have different modules. So we know that in SAP different modules are available now, like SD, PP, MM, HR, FI, CO, ABAP. ABAP and BASIS are technical, uh, what you say, uh, technical software, SCM and CRM. So these are different modules. So FI is different module and CO is different module, and SD is different module, sales and distribution, uh, PP production, purchasing something, material management, human resource. ABAP already I wrote here the full form, and basis here customer relation management. Now SAP. Now
Ma'am,
Ma'am, excuse me. Someone has muted you, ma'am.
okay. Can you hear, sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am. You can
Okay.
continue.
SAP methodology by AG company. AG company means the first basic company which 5 employees have started. So that time what their idea was, accelerated SAP we do know well. So first they used to do contract sign, which means which company wants to migrate from non-SAP to SAP. They used to take a contract, and signature used to be done with contract signed. Then later they get the requirements, means whatever they need, means the company need, all requirements they will gather. So whatever is needed and which type of customization is needed, for that they used to take whole requirement, then customizing the SAP according to my company requirement. Means the company required what, according to that this AG company used to customize that and giving SAP training to user. Then they used to give training to those user going to their company organization, and those who are operating on that, to them they used to give training. Then the SAP will go live at that time. Now Now, SAP roadmap. So first one is project preparation, second is business blueprint, third is realization, final preparation, go live and support. So now, as we have heard through Chanu sir, project preparation is the first stage where the organization or businesses who are going from non-SAP to SAP migration stage, first there will be having a meeting with the client. So project managers along with that functional consultants and technical consultants will have a meeting there in client location. There in this location, these functional consultants and technical consultants will not participate in that meeting. These high level meetings will be done by the higher officials only about the expenditure, about the turnover, and everything will be discussed there, and duration, taxes, everything will be discussed. But for functional consultants and technical consultants, there will be a kick-off meeting under which our manager will explain us what is the objective and what is the target and when to be finished off, and there will be an introduction with one another. And later on, there will be a business blueprint. Blueprint is nothing but a document, as I said here, get the requirements. So as is information will be there, taking from the client, client's managers will supply us as is information. Based on as is information, we will prepare to be information. Means all documentation work will be done here in blueprint. Uh, Whatever is required, how migration will take place, what are the things required to us. So all first we will do paperwork or documentation will be prepared here. Then third is realization stage where consultants will do all configurations here. Configurations are divided into two types. One is baseline, another I didn't remember now. So 80% is day-to-day activities like GL, AP, AR, asset accounting, taxes, all will be done. Then later integration part will be done like FI to MM integration, FI to ST integration, FI to CO integrations will be done in realization stage. Then final preparation, as everything, all configurations are over, all paperwork is also over, then testing will be done here. So testing will be done in different scenarios. First, consultant have to do testing, then unit testing, UAT testing will be conducted. Then testing team will be there. The testing team also will be doing testing with different scenarios here. As end user testing also will be done, and consultants will do, and different other testings also will be done. Later on, it will be given to production server. So go live, and after that, if any problem occurs to the end user, troubleshooting will be done by the consultant only. So that is a support, go live and support. So here um, SAP R3 tiered architecture. So here R3 architecture I wrote here. One is presentation layer. End user means presentation layer means when we open SAP, first screen SAP easy access screen, that is a presentation layer that is used for end user or customers. And for consultants who are doing configurations, for them application layer is there inside. When we do SPRO IMG screen, in that we will find this layer. So this is the application layer, SAP consultant. And third is database layer. This is inside hardware components, whatever is there, with which so ABAP can do this. So that is the SAP hardware. So first is for end user, second is for consultants, and third is for ABAP. That's why whenever any customization has to be done, we have to meet ABAP. Sir tell always that we have to meet ABAP and we have to write FS, and he will do. We can't do, he will do, because everything will be done in database layer. So that can be done by only ABAP. ABAP is a person who know ABAP language. So we have different system landscapes also I wrote here. So system landscapes are nothing but servers. There are 5 types of servers available based on different business organizations and their sizes. We can find 5 servers or 3, 4 servers also. First is sandbox servers, just for trial and errors, this one, as we are doing in our home, in our laptops. The same way, this is also one type of server, dummy server, where we can just for learning purpose we can use this. Next is development server. This is also called as golden client. Development server where all configurations will be done here, and testing also can be done here itself. And later on, after that, after doing configurations, we will transfer it to quality server. In this quality server, testing will be done by the different teams. So testing team will be there. The testing team will be doing testings here. Then if everything is correct, everything is according to the need and requirement, then it will be transferred to pre-production server. Here also testing will be done by the end users, and any other team is there, they will do testing. Then if everything is okay, then it will be transferred to production server. In this production server, end users will work. So this is a front end and all are back end servers. So servers will have client. Client where 3-digit numerical number will be there. So in my server 800 is the number. In this way, for every server there will be a number. So that is a 3-digit numerical number. So for every server, for identification purpose, there is a number. So when we go to a company, we have to ask which server it is. So based on that server, its work and activity is also different. And I did not wrote here different types of projects. So there are different types of projects like implementation project. 1 minute. Implementation project and rollout project. I didn't remember. Upgrading project, mergers and acquisitions. So implementation project means where non-SAP to SAP conversion, so all migration. So all configurations will be done there. So rollout projects means if a client is having a different company codes and business are in different countries, that time head office configurations are over, then just copying the same whatever we did in parent company, the same will be copied. That is called rollout server. Then upgrading means any new version came. For that, if we want to do upgrade it, we will do in upgrading projects. Mergers and acquisitions where two different companies will merge into one. Mostly we will not find that type of projects to us. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. It is very much good presentation. I can also see your determination and efforts you have put in for preparing this presentation. And yes, you have. I mean, not only included about history of SAP, you have also added ASAP methodology, landscape server, and also you have explained about types of projects. So that is very much appreciated. Thanks for thanks for giving this good presentation.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. In addition to it,
recording stopped.
Yeah, 1 second. I will stop it. I just wanted to add few points. That's the reason I'm continuing the recording. Just wanted. Does any one of you know, or anyone can tell about who is the current CEO of SAP AG company?
No, sir. No idea.
Yeah, it is Mr. Christian Klein. He is the current acting CEO of the SAP, and under his supervision and leadership, the SAP has been taking initiatives and transformation from the ECC to S4 HANA. And also, just wanted to share the first company in this, first company to implement SAP in this world, it is Imperial Chemical Industries. That is the first company that has implemented SAP in their company. I just wanted to add these 2 points. In case if anyone have any more inputs and insights, you can add. Yeah, okay. I will stop the recording now.